Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive. So first you need to make sure that your USB drive is connected to your laptop. So I've already done that and it should have enough space, at least 8 GB of space. Second thing is that your C drive should have at least 8 GB of free space available. Now, now I'm going to open the Google Chrome browser and in the search bar I will type download Windows 11 and then I will go to this website and I'm going to download the media file, Windows 11 media file. So I will go down and I will click download now. This is going to download the media file for Windows 11. So I'm going to click the media creation file and then I will click yes. And just I need to wait because this process is going to take some time and I have to be patient. Just wait. Okay, so these are the default settings. Let me just uncheck this option. Edition is Windows 11. Language is selected as English United States. I will click next. And now I'm going to select USB flash drive and I will click next. And I'm going to select this USB drive and I will click next. And this is going to take some time to complete. So just wait and be patient until this is done and dusted. So the setup has been created. Your USB flash drive is ready. Now I'm going to click finish. Uh, this may take few minutes. Just wait. So now let me just show you the bootable USB drive. Look, we have created the bootable USB flash drive. At the end, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.